If you kill, I will also kill. Because in this killing business, there are professionals. We have lost our humanity. Human beings have lost their humanity. We cannot say the truth. Now, coming to Nigeria, I heard Sheikh Gumi. I've never agreed with Sheikh Ahmed Gumi. I've never agreed with him. And when he makes statements, he should not make statements that thinks that Nigeria is a Muslim country. He should not come out and say, because this is a Muslim ticket, that we should be oblivious of the fact that there are other religious sentiments present in Nigeria. When you have the sense of entitlement, when you have the sense that, oh, you alone have the right, you alone, your opinion alone counts, you do not even have the power to enforce it. It was Gowan, a Christian, who broke diplomatic relationship with Israel. It was a Muslim, Ibrahim Babangida, that re-established diplomatic relationship with Israel. A Muslim. I was in the university at the University of Calabar. They said, when we establish diplomatic relationship with Israel, there will be El Dorado, our farms, everything will work. Israel will bring our technology. They will do this. And those of us who knew that this apartheid entry cannot bring anything, cannot benefit us, we cried out as student union in the school. We said this was a scam, and it has really shown. Israel has been one of the most corrupt scams in Nigeria. NNPC has been paying them money for the guiding of our pipeline, for all different sorts of security contracts they've been collecting. They do nothing other than to rip off our people. All of you remember the Massa contract they took. The Gulf of Guinea today, as we are talking, is the most dangerous maritime territory in the world, where the Israelis collected billions from Amechi and Co as transport minister and took it away. Israel is the most corrupt 419 entity on the surface of the earth. Israel is the most corrupt and 419 entity, scamming many countries, including Nigeria. Nigerians have been giving money to this entity called Israel. But having said that, I want to clearly say that this country is a multi-religious state. This country is not an Islamic state. This country is not another Arab country. I am in support of humanity, in support of the Palestinian cause, not because they are Muslims. There are Muslims, there are Christians in Palestine, and I support them. And there are even Jews in Palestine, because there are many Jews who are against the Zionist, apartheid, satanic state of Israel. But where I disagree with somebody is for Sheikh Gumi to demand for the removal of Nyesowike. All of you know that Nyesowike is not my friend. He is not. All of you know that I was one of the people who gave tough time to Nyesowike as governor of Rivers State. But Abuja does not belong to Gumi. It does not belong to the North. It does not belong to Muslims. That is the truth of the matter, and we must say it clearly. It does not belong to us as Muslims. Abuja was built with the Ijaw people's money, with Igbo people's money, with the Chekri people's money, with the Orobo people's money, with the Isoko people's money. What they told us when we were leaving Lagos to Abuja was that Abuja will be no man's land. Everybody will be removed from Abuja. Every Nigerian will be an indigene of Abuja. They have changed all the laws. So somebody from Sokoto State Gumi, who is from Sokoto State, is talking of Abuja. And what is his connection with Abuja? What is Dr. Ahmed Gumi connection with Abuja? That he will be talking about Abuja. That wicked should be removed. It's like me. I have been anti-Israel from the beginning. If you call me, if you like, call me anti-Semitic. I'm anti-Semitic. I do not believe in the Holocaust. The Holocaust was 419. The Holocaust was made up because the Balfour Declaration of 1917 preceded the Holocaust, and it was planned. The Holocaust was planned to steal Palestinian land, to kill Palestinians. Why is it that it's Germans that committed the so-called Holocaust against the Jews, according to them? But it is Arabs, it is Palestinians that are bearing the consequences and the brunt of the Holocaust. Have you seen that before? So we know, it is very clear that the Holocaust was false, it was a fraud, it was a farce, it was a scam. It was done just to take over Palestinian land. And definitely one day it will fail. So, Wike is a Christian. Christians, the majority of the people supporting Israel are Christians, Zionist Christians, they call themselves. He is free whether he's in government or not, to show his preference to where he belongs to. Even if he pretends, it does not make anything. Calling for his removal is stupidity of the highest order. This country does not belong to Muslims alone. It does not belong to Sokoto people alone. It belongs to all of us. And Gumi does not have the right. Because somebody met with Israeli ambassador, so he should be removed. If we allow these psychopaths, these mad, sick people who think they are entitled, who think they are better than all others, they are stronger than all others, all of us will be moving, walking into our grave, our dishonorable grave, walking under their feet of our dishonorable grave. Muslim ticket was voted by Nigerian people because they know who Ahmed Bola Tinubu is. Because a lot of us know. I did not vote Ahmed Bola Tinubu because he's a Muslim. Because I know him. I know what he's capable of doing. And that's why I supported him. That's why I support him. Even though today I might have some things. The appointment that is going on is one-sided. We must speak out. This is not Lagos. The president must know that the party is following in making appointment, as if appointment is on Lagos, as if Nigeria is on Lagos, is dangerous. He already has a lot of problems. We know. We must point this thing out. Why should someone like Bosun Tijani be in this government? After all the abuse and criticism, the president should look back at the appointment and rewind it, retrace it, and balance it. This is a country that belongs to all of us. It does not belong to Bajabi Amira alone. It does not belong to Ahmed Bola Tinubu alone. It does not belong to Muchai Basari alone. It does not belong to Mahmoud Gumi alone. There must be dissenting voices. But what should be paramount is the national interest of Nigeria. What is the national interest of Nigeria? That must be paramount. Anybody that wants to sacrifice the national interest of Nigeria for any other thing, we tell them stop. Because you know me, I was a supporter of Biafra. I was a leader of Biafra. I walked away when I saw that it was going nowhere. There was a lot of evil in it. Today I am 100% Nigerian. I'm fighting on the side of Nigeria. I'm making sacrifices on the side of Nigeria. I will continue to make that sacrifice. Dr. Ahmed Gumi, you don't have any this thing to say Wike should be removed. Wike is a Christian. You are a Muslim. If you are supporting Palestine because of this thing, I have beard. I have beard as you have. Nobody can stop me on the road and call me Boko Haram. If you call me Boko Haram, I am up to the task to tell you that I am not Boko Haram, whether you are a Jew or not. You are not more man than me. If you kill, I will also kill. Because in this killing business, there are professionals. So don't come and tell me that it's ready. It's an insult on the old Muslim. That Jews will come and look at us because they did business with Israelis. That if I have beard, they are going to say I'm Boko Haram. Let them come now and do it. They think this is Gaza. So let us stop this nonsense in this country. Trying to whip up sentiment. If we want to come out straight, we want to criticize Ahmed Bola Tinubu based on his policy, based on his appointment, let us come out and criticize him. For me, I am a supporter of Ahmed Bola Tinubu, come rain, come shine. Because others have not been better than him. Others have not been better than him. We are all in this country. They gave money to people that we should not import rice. That we should not import things. They gave them money when rice was 6,000 a bag. Some of them collected 20 billion, 30 billion from the bank. So that rice will be there. Immediately they collected the money, they increased the bag of rice to 60,000. The money is not their own. They are not even paying back the money. So many policies of government have failed. Who are here when Sadia, the minister of TIF, they call her humanitarian ministry, was collecting 500 billion every month, stealing the money, with stealing their Abacha's fruit. We were here when Malami took NAIJA people's money, which he will bring back definitely, whether this government likes it or not. Malami must bring back our 600 billion. He will bring it back. Collected our money. Malami will bring it back. We are here. Different type of policies that we saw. So you come out, Muslim ticket, they are supporting Israel. Is it not a Muslim, Babangida, that recognizes the state of Israel? Is it not Kowan, a Christian, that severed the relationship with Israel? You people should not think we are fools. And we don't know. Dr. Ahmed Gumi, if you are serving an interest other than the interest of the people, what you are saying is not an Islamic interest. Abuja does not belong to you. Your kobo was not used in building Abuja. We can talk. Equally, all you want to build Abuja. You contributed nothing. You are just an ordinary parasite in this place. So stop talking rubbish.